Dear students, welcome back to the main task of O-level exam, essay writing. Today I brought two mostly target essay, pros and cons of online education. It means positive and negative effects of online learning. We'll focus the attention on this timely process. Online education becomes the most prominent trend in education today. You can state facts to introduce it and mention the current trend. You can write it in the introductory paragraph.
General introduction. The online learning opens doorway for efficient education. The most convenient method in COVID pandemic dilemma. Because there's constant disturbance in school education. One of the imminent trends in the education sector. Introduce the mode of way through internet. Use advanced technology. Acquire knowledge in a broad platform. Equipped with moderate standard key components in learning.
Then emphasize the validity, that means benefits of online learning.
Benefits of online education. Provide novel experience. Motivate to use modern technology. Enable to access and share information. That means learners can use audio recordings, text transcripts of lectures. Moreover, they can do supplementary reading. This will provide learner-friendly atmosphere. They can use videos and also photos capture the interest of the learner. And students can adjust time for studies without any restriction. So, online learning provides comfortable learning experience because it saves time, traveling expenses, and you can get rid of tiresome. Furthermore, it will create the desire of learning. Learners can inculcate self-learning skills.
There may be inevitable shortcomings. We can mention the disadvantages in the third paragraph.
There's unequal access of obtaining education as some can't afford the expenses. Mostly, this is an unfamiliar experience for both teachers and learners, hence they probably face the difficulties as they have lack of knowledge to use the technology. At this juncture, backward slow learners may drop out. The great impact is done by online learning as there is total negligence of extracurricular activities. So students may become inactive, lethargic and monotonous. Moreover, online learning may hinder the fringe areas of the classroom and mainly avoid the opportunity of on-the-spot correction. Furthermore, it hinders the practical application of the knowledge. There may be lack of choices for problem solving and doing experiments. Apart from that, disposing electronic waste, that means e-waste, to cause harmful effects to the environment.
Dear students, now you have reached the final paragraph. Here you are expected to give the conclusion. Think related to the current situation and state your facts in straightforward way. The following points support your answer.
Viewpoint. Online education mostly beneficial, but unequal access may create a great havoc. Significantly, it stands as a white elephant in rural schools. Hence, authorities should take immediate actions to create favorable learning opportunities. Education reflects the development of the country and ought to be adhere qualitative, highly admirable online education system.
Now you have enough facts to write and obvious plan for organizing. So hurry up, girls and boys. Start to write your essay now. Be sure to manage your time. Allocate half an hour to complete. Okay, hope to bring you another hot topic soon.